Hey guys, it's Kelly from Kelly Lee Creates, and today I'm going to be making this fun shirt with Siser EasyColor DTV. So DTV is Siser's brand of printable vinyl, which means you can take this vinyl, or the DTV stands for direct to vinyl. It's just their way of saying printable vinyl. So basically what this means is you take your vinyl and you can run it through your printer and print any design on it that you want. And then you can cut out that design with a silhouette machine and then heat press it to your shirt. So this is what the vinyl looks like. It's pretty thin. It's just a little bit thicker than the regular Easy Weed, I think. So one side is white, and then the other side is a little bit grayish. So when you're printing your design, you want to print it on the side that is white. And then you are going to, weed or send it through your silhouette or Cricut and weed out the design and then adhere it to your shirt just like you would heat transfer vinyl. So I am going to take you over to Silhouette Studio and show you how to set up the file in there. And then I will walk you through the process of how to print it and put it on a shirt. So here I am in Silhouette Studio, and I am using a file that I created for Expressions Vinyl for the March Mystery Box. It's exclusive to Expressions Vinyl. Sorry I have plants this weekend, so for you plant lovers, this one is great for you. So I'm just going to show you how to set it up really quickly in Silhouette Studio for print and cut. So the first thing you need to do is open the file, and you have to use the PNG format so it has a transparent background. And then you come over here to the page setup, and you're gonna click right here to set up the registration marks. So right here, you just turn the registration marks on, and then if you click here and go to media size, you want the media size to be a letter because we are going to print this, and most printers print 8.5 by 11. So you want the size to be letter, and over here under the registration marks, you want the registration marks to be on. And so then you're going to rotate this file. So go up to File, or I'm sorry, Object, Rotate, rotate by 90 degrees clockwise. And then all you have to do is drag the corner to size it down to fit onto your 8.5 by 11. Now you don't want to overlap these hatch marks right here, and you want everything within the red line because that is the cut boundary. So we could make this a little tiny bit bigger, like so. Okay, so then all you have to do is come up here to File and Print, and it's going to give you a print preview. My computer's a little bit slow, so let's just wait for this. Okay, so just make sure that your print preview is good, and then you're going to hit print and send it to your printer. And so the printer is going to print your design, and it's also going to print these registration marks. Now after your printer prints your design, you want to place it on your cutting mat just like you would if you're putting any other piece of vinyl through your silhouette machine. But make sure that after you print your file, you do not move this file at all, because we're going to go over to the Send panel and set up your send settings. So you want it set for Heat Transfer Smooth, and then you can make sure over here that it's cutting. See how it's going to cut the edge of everything? So this is what you want it to look like. And I have that set to, I believe it's on simple. Let's see. yeah, simple, I think. I think you could also do fill would work. Let's see if layer works. Layer also works, but simple. I have it on simple so you can see the red outline. And then make sure it's set to heat transfer smooth. And the Siser DTV also has specific cut settings for this type of vinyl, so be sure to read the directions on that. And then when you have that all set up, you just hit send, and it sends it to your silhouette, and the silhouette is going to read these registration marks, and then it's going to cut out your file. So this is the design after it's done printing, and I'm just going to weed this file like I would any other SVG file. You notice that I did not have to mirror this file, which is a little bit different than regular heat transfer vinyl, and I'll show you how to deal with that in a few minutes. So I'm just weeding this file, and then I'm going to take my weeding hook and remove all the centers of the letters. So this is what your file looks like after it's all weeded. Next, I'm going to use what they call a mask, which is basically like transfer tape for adhesive vinyl. And you're going to apply it to this vinyl just like you would apply transfer tape to adhesive vinyl. Just smooth it out over your file, and then you're going to take a scraper tool and burnish the vial to this mask. Then I'm going to flip it over and remove the backing. Now the vial is ready to be placed on the shirt. I preheated my shirt with my Cricut Easy Press for 5 seconds, and then I'm going to place a piece of parchment paper over the shirt and press it at 340 degrees for 15 seconds. Remove the parchment paper and then peel off the mask while it's still warm. Go slowly and make sure everything sticks. What I love about this vinyl is that there is no layering needed. It's just one press and you're done. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. I'd love it if you follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Kelly L Creates, and make sure to visit my blog, kellyleecreates.com, for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.